Hello, and welcome to the Hampton Roads 2050 Long Range Transportation Plan Candidate Project Portal. The Hampton Roads Transportation Planning Organization needs your input to help identify transportation needs and issues in the region. This portal is an opportunity for the public to submit candidate projects to be considered for the 2050 LRTP, the region's transportation blueprint. The portal's homepage can be seen here with sections to navigate to the how-to tutorial, candidate project portal, and an About Us page to learn more about the HRTPO and LRTP. The user can click one of these sections to navigate to that page as seen here. To navigate back to the home page, please click the Home button located at the top of the portal. For instructions on how to use this portal, please watch the How-To tutorial, which can be accessed here, or by clicking the How-To tutorial tool within the mapping application located at the bottom of the screen. To submit candidate project suggestions to be considered for the region's 2050 Long Range Transportation Plan, please click here or here. A splash screen will appear. Please read this before pressing OK. Candidate project ideas can be submitted as a pen or a line segment. To drop a pen, click the Candidate Project Pens button from the editor window on the left. Then on the map, navigate to the location by moving the map with your mouse or fingers on select devices, typing in the address in the search bar here, or clicking the Find My Location button. Once you have navigated to the location where you want to create a project suggestion, click once to place the pin, then fill out the information in the project fields on the left. Once you have completed this information, please click the Create button at the bottom. Please note that the project suggestion will only be submitted if you click Create. If you accidentally place your point incorrectly, click the Back button here, and then click Discard Edits. To create a line segment, click the Candidate Project Segments button from the editor window. Navigate to the location where you want to create a project suggestion. Click once to begin the segment. Click once again to place another point along your project suggestion. Double-click to end the segment, then fill out the information. If you're unsure if your project suggestion is a pen or a line segment, please see the information panel on the right for examples of pen and segment project types. If you need additional help or have questions about the portal, please click the Help icon in the toolbar. Thank you for providing project suggestions and helping develop the region's transportation plan.